Welcome to 2794 Vancouver Court, located in beautiful Brentwood, California. This magnificent property is conveniently located at the end of a court, right next to a stunning park, sitting on a little over a quarter acre of land with a backyard oasis that is going to blow you away. I cannot wait for you to see the rest of this home and wait till we get to that backyard. Come on, let's take a look. As you enter the front door, you are greeted by a massive diamond pattern tile entryway that flows all the way to the back living areas. The enormous open concept living areas are impressive, with room to entertain large gatherings of loved ones. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring an abundance of counter space with granite countertops, including the massive center island. Beautiful cabinets with copious storage. The dining room is exquisite, with its chandelier adorning the ceiling. There is a junior suite tucked away in its own wing of the home with a full bathroom. The grand retreat located in the rear corner of the home is magnificent, with its ensuite bathroom, which features dual vanities with sinks, stall shower with frameless glass enclosure, soaking tub to relax by candlelight. The laundry room has matching cabinets providing lots of storage. 2 bedrooms within the front wing share the same fresh new luxury textured carpet and shutters adorning the windows. The rear yard is truly spectacular. Relax under the enormous well-built pergola as you gaze upon the glorious PebbleTech solar heated pool and lush landscaping. The fire pit makes for an enjoyable evening year-round making s'mores. There is also RV parking on one side of the property with full hookups, and on the other side features garden beds adjacent to a custom chicken coop. What's great about living in Brentwood? It's a short drive or BART ride to San Francisco, Oakland, and Berkeley. Farmers markets on Saturdays. The streets of Brentwood featuring great shops, incredible food options, over 100 restaurants, quick bite places, and coffee shops satisfy every craving. You're also only 15 minutes away from miles of Delta waterways to wakeboard, wake surf, water ski, and some of the best fishing in the world. Where this home is located, you have easy access to Vasco Road, which takes you through Livermore and beyond to the Silicon Valley of Santa Clara County. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. Now I'm sure you're going to want to take a look at this one maybe another 2 or 3 times. So to see a full 3D rendering of the inside and this spectacular backyard, go to the property website at 2794vancouver.com. And if you'd like to schedule a private showing or have any questions you'd like answered, give me a call at 925-382-6109. Have a great day.